dirty ones. Alright. Green is done. Now some rainbow colors, but should be cool. No problem. I have more. Alright. Wow, it's so awesome. It's so squishy. Look at it. Guys, my sister is coming in my video. I'm coming in her video. It's so funny. Sister, let's work together. But sorry, I'm not doing one. Okay. Don't worry, I have a cool idea for you. What? That you can put in the top some fruits and veggies. Wow, good idea. Let me add some more vegetables flavor. Maybe not already cooked now. I don't love it. Let's put it back. Yeah. But I'm still doing it. Let's put it in there. Wow. Take all the orange. I love making day. Okay. Now we have the plastic paper and now let's add some colors. So let's add rainbow colors. Let's make a rainbow together, guys. Like this. Now some different colors. This. It's getting cooler than the top. Wow, it's okay. Okay, some more. I'm almost. One minus. We're done with maroon.